Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving deep into a product that's become a true staple in many households. Aquaphor Healing Ointment, Advanced Therapy Skin Protectant. Whether you're dealing with dry skin, minor cuts, cracked heels, or even chapped lips, this ointment promises to be your one-stop solution. First things first, let's talk about what makes this product stand out. Aquaphor is a multi-purpose ointment specifically designed to repair dry, compromised skin. Its formula includes 41% petrolatum, which acts as an occlusive agent to lock in moisture, along with glycerin and panthenol to hydrate and heal your skin. What sets it apart from other moisturizers is that it's water-free, allowing it to form a protective barrier over your skin that promotes healing while keeping irritants out. Now, on to the usage experience. This product is incredibly versatile. Whether you're applying it to your hands, feet, or even your lips, it provides a soothing layer of protection. Personally, I found it to be especially effective during those harsh winter months when my skin tends to get chapped and cracked. A small amount goes a long way, which means this 14-ounce jar can last you quite a while, making it a very cost-effective solution for a variety of skin woes. In terms of performance, Aquaphor excels. For minor cuts and burns, it creates an ideal healing environment, preventing excessive moisture loss and reducing the risk of scarring. If you're into skincare trends, you might have heard of slugging, where you apply a thick layer of an occlusive agent like Aquaphor overnight to lock in moisture. This technique is fantastic for those with extremely dry or sensitive skin, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and hydrated by morning. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Aquaphor is deeply hydrating, versatile, and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and dermatologist recommended, which is a big plus for anyone dealing with skin issues like eczema or psoriasis. However, its thick, greasy texture might be a turnoff for some, especially if you're not used to heavy ointments. It's also worth noting that those with a lanolin allergy should avoid this product, as it contains lanolin alcohol. When compared to similar products on the market, Aquaphor often comes out on top, especially against something like Vaseline. While Vaseline is made of 100% petrolatum, Aquaphor contains additional ingredients like glycerin and bisabolol that provide extra hydration and soothing properties. However, if you're looking for a lighter alternative, you might want to consider a product like CeraVe Healing Ointment, which is also effective but has a slightly less greasy texture. As for value for money, Aquaphor is a winner. Priced at under $20 for a 14-ounce jar, it's affordable and long-lasting, especially given how little you need to use each time. It's a product that pays for itself many times over. Midway through this review, I want to remind you that if you're enjoying this content, liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell icon will help us bring more great reviews your way. The build quality of this product is straightforward, yet effective. It's packaged in a no-frills jar, but what's inside is what counts. The ingredients are carefully tested and approved for safety, making it a reliable choice for anyone needing serious skin protection. In terms of real-world testing, I've used Aquaphor on everything from dry cuticles to wind-burned cheeks, and it consistently delivers. It's a must-have for anyone who spends a lot of time outdoors or in harsh climates. The ointment doesn't just sit on the skin, it actively works to heal and protect. In conclusion, would I recommend Aquaphor Healing Ointment? Absolutely. It's a skin-saving miracle in a jar, perfect for anyone dealing with dryness, irritation, or minor injuries. Its longevity, combined with its effectiveness, makes it a fantastic addition to any skincare routine. Whether you're a beginner looking for a reliable product, or a skincare enthusiast searching for a multitasker, Aquaphor has got you covered. Thanks for watching today's review on Beautyistic. You can find the link to purchase Aquaphor in the description box below. And as always, feel free to drop any questions or share your own experiences with this product in the comments. Until next time, stay beautiful!